Welcome to week 6 of the Young 8 Tai Chi Workshop. In today's practice, we will be looking at kicks. There's two versions of this, one where you rest the toe on the floor and the full version is lifting the foot fully off the floor. It depends on your balance and whichever you feel safe, comfortable and able to do. We'll begin as we always do by bowing, placing your right hand in a fist, left palm on top, left thumb over the fist and bowing to begin. So we're starting where we left off from Golden Cockerel standing on one leg. Bringing the weight onto the left leg. So you want a mild bend in the knee as you bring the weight onto that side, crossing the hands, and we're kicking this right heel out to the side as you open the arms wide. Now the heel's about 45 degrees out to the side. If you don't feel like your balance is there, you can do the same practice, but with the right toe on the floor. Bringing the weight onto the right hand side now, keeping a nice soft bend in the right knee, crossing the hands. We're kicking this left leg out to the side as you open the arms wide. Once again, if you don't feel you're quite there with your balance, you can do the same practice with the left toe on the floor. I'll show you facing the opposite way. So bringing your weight onto the left side, crossing the hands, bringing the weight onto the left leg, kicking the right heel out 45 degrees out to the side, arms open wide. Or you do the same practice with the right toe on the floor. Bringing the weight onto the right, crossing the hands, kicking the left heel out 45 degrees out to the side with the arms facing wide. Or the same practice with the toe on the floor. Thank you for joining me in week 6 of the Tai Chi Young 8 workshop.